week we have a giveaway from Knitter's Pride. I'm calling it the Fair Isle Kit because I have a couple of things here to help you knit Fair Isle hats specifically. The first is a Nova Platina 16-inch circular needle set, an interchangeable needle set. This is sizes from 4 up to, let me make sure I get the metric sizes right, 10. Metric sizes 3.5 up to 6.0. These are really nice. I've used these needles a lot in my videos. Really nice, slick, fast needles, and great for knitting hats because you have the 16-inch circular that's kind of ideal for knitting hats. And the second piece of this is the new Knitter's Pride magnetic pattern holders, and I'm using these and I am loving these. Inside you have a magnetic board that is a really hard magnet that has this, well, little magnets, but it also has this longer one that you can stretch across your pattern that helps you read charts, like Fair Isle charts, Fair Isle hat charts specifically. I'm really enjoying this from Knitter's Pride. This comes in 2 different sizes. This is the bigger of the 2. If you would like to enter this giveaway, just follow the instructions at the end of the video and we'll announce the winner next week. Good luck.